what is the expected and the letter of the law, not the spirit, concerning personal privacy?
Okay, in what context? I mean, you have certain expectations of privacy in certain places, but what are you talking about here? What's your question?
Okay, my neighbor and I are at war.
Okay.
Okay? He has placed cameras directly looking onto my property and my driveway and my house. I don't care if he puts 20 cameras on his property. I want him to cease and desist from viewing my property.
Well, what do you think there, Mark? I know he's got a right to do whatever he wants on his own property.
Yeah, he does. And generally, if you're outside, you have a problem. But there's an old term called your curtilage, which means the area right around your house, and you may well be able to get him to not be filming you while you're outside. But he can obviously. I mean, one way to look at it is if he has a deck, he could stand there if he wanted to and look all day in your backyard, and you can't really stop him from doing it. So. Privacy fences make good neighbors. Maybe put one of those up. That might be your best bet.
Yeah, but he's got these cameras up at the top of his house. Our house is at 32 feet.
Yeah.
But city or local only allows 6-foot fence, so that fence won't work.
Okay, well, you might also find out whether there's a local code about cameras and where you can put them. And
that's about all you can do. But it's kind of one of these classic situations where it's a fight, and you can sue anybody you want for anything, and whether you got a good case is a different story, but it's going to cost you an awful lot of money. So
yeah, one critical thing though is what he's doing with it. If he starts, doing things with what he's recording, that could be an issue too. So
yeah, it is. Neighbors are neighbors, and you get these problems all the time, and unfortunately they sometimes get to that point.